In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable reCAPTCHA in Mailchimp to protect your sign-up forms from spam and fake subscribers. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to reduce bot signups so your audience stays clean and your reports stay accurate. reCAPTCHA is the familiar "I'm not a robot" check that helps filter out automated form submissions without adding much friction for real people. Once enabled, it works quietly in the background on your Mailchimp forms. Start by opening Mailchimp and logging into your account. You'll need access to the audience you want to protect, since this setting applies at the audience level. After you're in, look to the top navigation and click Audience. This is where Mailchimp keeps everything related to your subscribers, forms, and audience-wide settings. Inside the audience area, find and click Settings. This is the control center for defaults and protective features that apply across your entire audience. We're heading here so the change covers all relevant forms connected to this audience without having to update each one individually. Scroll down the settings page until you see Form Settings, which Mailchimp labels as Audience-Wide Defaults. This section governs how your forms behave and how subscribers are added. It's the right place to turn on protections that should be consistent across your sign-up experiences. Within Form Settings, look for the option called reCAPTCHA for single opt-in forms. It's important to note that this setting applies specifically to single opt-in. Single opt-in means people are added to your audience as soon as they submit the form. If you use double opt-in, subscribers confirm via email before they're added, which already reduces spam, but enabling reCAPTCHA on single opt-in adds a valuable layer of defense. Click Edit next to the reCAPTCHA option. You'll see a simple control to manage the feature. Turn the reCAPTCHA setting on. Mailchimp uses an invisible or lightweight challenge that typically doesn't slow down genuine users, but helps stop automated scripts from flooding your list. When you're done, click Save to apply the changes. Saving makes the setting live for this audience, so your hosted forms and compatible embedded forms start benefiting right away. As a quick best practice, visit one of your sign-up forms afterward and run a brief test submission to confirm everything looks and feels right. If you rely on single opt-in, this small step can significantly improve list quality and reduce the need for manual cleanup later. That's it. You've successfully enabled reCAPTCHA in Mailchimp, helping protect your audience and making your sign-up process more reliable.